Hello students, welcome back to the video lecture on management and entrepreneurship for IT industry. Today in this video I explain about planning, some basic things of planning, importance of planning and purpose of planning. So what planning is? Planning is nothing but deciding in advance. It is the beginning of the process of management. It is the most basic function of management. It includes deciding what to do, when to do, how to do, who to do, where to do, etc. Okay? It is a continuous process. To observe the process of a goal, in order to observe the progress of the goal, we need planning. It's not that we have done planning once and everything will work out rightly. No. It is a continuous process, and as the work progresses, we may require to change our plans accordingly. Planning involves selection of objectives and goals and determining the way to achieve them. It acts as the bridge between current and future. It acts as a bridge between current and the future. Then it acts as a way to determine the steps to move to the goal. Planning is present at all the levels of the organization. Okay, initially at all the levels of the organization we need to have plannings done. At the top level, for example, let's speak out at different levels. Already we looked at different levels in the organization, isn't it? Top level, middle level, lower level, that is supervisory level and all, isn't it? So at the top level, how planning will be done? Managers are concerned with the long-term goals plans. They will be planning for long-term goals. Within 2 to 5 years, all the goals which are to be completed, that is long-term goal, and all the top level managers will be concerned about this. This is how the top level, at the top level planning will be done. Now at the middle level, managers are concerned with medium range planning, that is for few months to 1 year. Planning will be done for 1 year or for few months. In order to move towards the achievement of the goal, what work has to be done within few months or within 1 year, that will be taken care of by the mid-level managers, and planning at that level will be done. At supervisory level also planning will be done, that is at low level planning will be done daily or weekly. Today what is to be done, within 1 week what aim has to be completed, everything. Okay, everything will be planned at the supervisory level. It is not static or dynamic in nature. Okay, so let's look at why planning is important. Importance of planning. Okay, so planning is necessary as it overcomes uncertainty and it minimizes the risks. Why? Because it provides logical facts. What it provides? What it provides? It provides logical facts and procedures to the manager for making the decision. That's why it reduces the uncertainty, it minimizes the risks. Okay, in planning, goals and targets will be defined. These goals and targets act as the benchmark against which the performance will be measured, Goals and targets will be fixed and benchmarks will be there, and each of the performance of the candidates will be measured against these benchmarks, and changes can be done according to the standards. If they are not towards the standards, changes will be done in the planning to reach towards the standards. Thus it effectively controls the activities. Okay, it helps to focus attention on the goals so that organization move towards the goal. It helps to be attentive towards the goal. As planning decides the work in advance, there will be no confusions to achieve the goals. Will not have any confusion in order to achieve the goal, because everything is decided in advance. Okay, everything is decided in advance, means what has to be done, using what it has to be done, who all have to do, and when it has to be done, everything is set aside. Okay, so no one has to get confused with what work has to be done at what time and all, isn't it? That's why what happens, there is no confusion to achieve the goal. Plan acts as a bridge between the present and the future. Present means we are at the starting level, and future means towards the achievement of the goal. In between the two, it acts as a bridge, it acts as a path. Then Moving to the purpose of planning. Planning helps to select one from many available alternatives. Planning directs all other functions, sets the goals of the enterprise. It helps to break up goals. It will be breaking up the goals. Okay, the larger goals will be broken up, and small goals they will be considered, and they will be moving towards to reach the smaller goals, and then they can achieve the larger ones. It acts as a bridge between the present and the future. It decides the future in advance and reduces the uncertainty. All these are the purpose for planning. Okay, it helps to effectively control the activities. It helps managers to focus his vision towards the objectives and goals of the organization. Hence, we need planning as the first functional area of the management. So this is all about the purpose of planning. In the next video, I'll be discussing about the types of planning. Thank you.